Are you tired of spending countless hours to perfect your videos? Do you want to elevate your video editing game and take your videos to the next level? Look no further, because today we are going to talk about Davinci Resolve's node-based workflow right now. Davinci Resolve is a powerful video editing software that utilizes a node-based workflow. Now, what is a node-based workflow? Unlike the traditional layer-based workflows, nodes in Davinci Resolve allow you for a more flexible and non-destructive approach to editing. In this video, I'll try to explain how the node-based workflow works and the difference between serial and parallel nodes. Say you have a clip in your timeline and you want to color grade. Instead of applying your color adjustments directly to the clip, you can create a node and apply your color corrections to that node. This allows you to have more control over your adjustments and make changes more easily without affecting the original clip. Nodes can be simply created by right-clicking on a clip and selecting Add Node, or by using the shortcut Shift-Alt-N. Once you've created your node, you can apply your color corrections by using the color wheels or other available tools in Davinci Resolve. Nodes can be also connected in a serial or parallel manner. Serial nodes are connected in a linear fashion, with each node affecting the output of the previous node. This means that any adjustments made to the second node will affect the output of the first node, and so on and so on and so forth. Parallel nodes, on the other hand, will allow you to apply multiple corrections at the same time without affecting each other. This means that each parallel node is independent and have its own set of color corrections. So why should you use a serial or parallel node? Serial nodes are great for making subtle adjustments and building up your corrections in a precise manner, while parallel nodes are useful when you want to make multiple corrections quickly without having to go back and forth between the nodes. And that's it. Davinci Resolve's node-based workflow allows you to have more control over your edits and make changes easily without affecting the original clip. So whether you are a beginner or a pro, give it a try and take your videos to the next level. Now, if you want to learn how to become a pro editor, check out these videos right here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out!